Today, we're going to learn about a powerful and modern woodworking machine called the CNC machine. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control. This machine works with the help of a computer. It can cut, carve, drill, and shape materials very accurately. CNC machines are widely used in woodworking, metalwork, plastic cutting, and many industrial applications. In woodworking, a CNC machine is mainly used to design furniture, doors, decorative panels, and complex carvings. Instead of doing everything by hand, the machine follows computer instructions and completes the work automatically. A CNC machine has several important parts and tools. First is the spindle. The spindle is the main rotating tool of the machine. It holds the cutting bit and spins at high speed to cut or carve the material. Second is the cutting bit or router bit. Different types of bits are used for different tasks. For example, straight bits, V-bits, and ball nose bits are commonly used in CNC woodworking. Another important part is the machine bed or work table. This is the flat surface where the wood or material is placed and fixed before the machining process begins. The machine also uses stepper motors or servo motors. These motors control the movement of the machine in different directions, such as X-axis, Y-axis, and Z-axis. This allows the CNC machine to create precise shapes and designs. A computer control and software is also required to operate the CNC machine. Popular software like ArtCam, Mac 3, and Fusion 360 are used to design and control the machine. Before starting the work, the design is created in the software, then the program sends instructions to the machine. After that, the CNC machine automatically starts cutting and carving the material according